the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use the UI background extension in UIKit for iOS 26. So this is a new feature. So let's get started. So first let me just mirror my iPad device. Now to test this particular feature, it's better you have an iPad device. You can test it on an iOS device as well, but it doesn't look that significant. Like, it is better for large screen display only. So what I'll do is I'll just first delete my storyboard, because we'll do everything programmatically. I just want to display a sidebar as well. So I'll just delete the storyboard. Then I'll just go to info.plist over here, and I'll just open this particular thing, and I'll just delete the storyboard as well. Then I'll come over here, and here also you just need to delete this particular part, and I think so keep Xcode version. And here also I think you need to come over here, scene configuration, come to item 0, and here also you need to delete this. So keep Xcode version. So next what you need to do is, now given that you have completely deleted storyboard, first okay, why is this not working? Okay, so my Xcode just hanged. Let's just wait for a second. Okay, so here first you need to go to scene delegate. Okay, now this particular thing will not work. We have to tell it what is the main starting viewpoint. So I have already created I already have the basic code, so I'll just copy it from that, so just to save time. So I'll just copy this, and we need to just paste it over here. So okay, so here is our window scene. We create a new UI window. Then there are two view controllers, one is sidebar and one is this background demo view controller. So instead of this background demo, you can just name it as view controller as well, because you already have a view controller file right over here. And then we just use UI split controller, and then we just do split.set view controller, sidebar VC for primary, content VC for secondary, and then we just assign it to Windows root view controller. That's it. Next, first we need to create this particular Swift file. So I will just come over here, just right click, new empty file, and here I'll just name it as sidebar view controller.swift. Now I'll just open this, and I'll just copy this. Okay, let's come over here and let's just paste this code. So here you can see I have imported, these are all the items on my sidebar. I'm not really using it. And here we just do table.register UI tables view cell. We are extending from UI table view controller. So that's what we are doing, just displaying our table view. Alright, pretty simple. Then let's just come to my cheat sheet again, because somehow my PC has slowed down drastically. I don't know why. So again I'll just copy this code. Okay, sorry about this. I'll just do command C. Then what you need to do is just come to view controller over here, and here I'll just paste it. Then I'll just improve the indentation. So first here I'm just taking a UI image. For this, what I'll do is, I already have one image I have no inside my other project, so I will just drag and drop it inside the assets folder over here. Okay, so something like this. So this is the image which I have taken, which occupies the entire width and height. So if you go to view controller, that's what I'm doing. Then here we are using this UI background extension view, and we are setting the image to our extension views content view. And here we just do NS layout constraints, and we add the extension view to our subview as to our main parent view. Alright, and then here we just define one label as well, in case if you want it, not really necessary. So with immersive background and some NS layout constraints as well. So that's all there is to it. Now let me just run the application. Again, I'm running it on my iPad. If you run it on your iPhone, it won't be looking that great. I feel like this UI background extension view, I mean, you might find some use cases, but I think it's better to use it on screens which are extremely large in size. So that's why, or maybe you can test it on iPad extension. Okay, I'm facing some issues with my internet, just give me a second. Okay, so there are a lot of bugs with iOS 26, at least that's what I have noticed. Let me just rerun it. So finally it is up and running. Like I had it was still showing the internet button even though I hadn't connected to internet, so that's what got confused to me. So in a way those are bugs as well. So yeah, let's just wait for this. Hopefully any second now. Okay, so here you can see this is how the output looks like. Just move it slightly down. So yeah, if you see, this is the background extension, and this is how the sidebar looks on since iOS 26. So, and if you see at the center we have this immersive background text as well. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.